What's up, guys? It's your girl, Raquel, and you're here in my, what do you call it, studio slash office. So yeah, guys, so stay tuned for this amazing video of this dinosaur piece that is not quite finished yet, that I'm making for my nephew. You can see real close, it is a skull head. Much more to it. So stay tuned, guys. Much love. Peace. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so, make sure you smash that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment below. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. Sorry if I keep looking over here. The screen is over here, the camera's over here, so my apologies, guys, but yeah. Stay tuned, guys. Much love. Peace! I don't know if I mentioned throughout this video, shout out to my brother for getting me this new light, real bright, but I'm going to actually record this video on the blue, just because, let me see the blue for you so you can see why I'm saying the blue. You see like how much like it just popped out my, you see how bright the green is now, and every now and then you may see that in the background. So blue light, I put dark blue. Now we can see the colors more better, more vibrant. Ooh, there you have it. Yeah, in case you see the lights color changing, it's just simply just to see the project more better. It's crazy just because this blue light really brings out the neon green like a lot. So, alright, let's get right into it, guys.